Is your Gree AC unit showing the F2 error? This often means there's a problem with the indoor coil temperature sensor, also known as the evaporator coil sensor or T2 sensor. This sensor is vital for monitoring the evaporator coil's temperature, ensuring efficient cooling and preventing freezing. A bad sensor can cause poor cooling or shutdown. Let's troubleshoot. First, the possible causes. The sensor itself may be defective due to a short or open circuit. Loose or disconnected wires connecting the sensor to the control board could be the issue. Dust on the sensor can also interfere with readings. Sometimes, the control board itself has problems affecting the sensor, even though it's usually the sensor. The coil might be freezing due to low refrigerant or dirty filters. Now, the troubleshooting steps. Safety first. Turn off and unplug the AC. Open the indoor unit's cover, possibly needing a screwdriver. Find the coil sensor near the evaporator coil, often clipped to the fins. Check the wiring and connections to the control board for looseness, corrosion, or damage. Reconnect any loose wires. If dirty, gently clean the sensor with a soft, dry cloth. Also clean the coil. If you have a multimeter, test the sensor. Disconnect it and measure resistance on the kiloohm scale. Most Gree thermistors are NTC 5 kiloohms or 10 kiloohms at 25 C. A normal reading shouldn't be zero short circuit or infinite open circuit. If so, replace the sensor. Compare your readings to the manual if you can. Also check the indoor fan and clean the air filters for good airflow. After checking, turn off the AC's main power for 5 minutes. Then repower and run it in cooling or heating. Watch for the error. If the sensor is bad, replace it with a compatible one, using the Gree part number if possible. If the error persists after replacement, the circuit board might be the problem, needing professional help. Remember, always disconnect power first. If unsure, call an HVAC technician. For intermittent errors, check refrigerant and airflow. While F2 is usually the indoor coil sensor, some models use it for the condenser sensor, so check your manual. Check your warranty before repairs. As of 2025, repairs should be data-driven, avoid guesswork. Hopefully, these steps fix your Gree AC F2 error.